Hey guys, another quick video here for you. So if you have a dryer and it doesn't seem to be drying quick enough, there's something you should be checking that nobody actually seems to know about, and that's the lint filter. So when you use these lovely sheets, there's a wax on them. So that wax gets onto the lint filter. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that in the middle there and even up in here, that's all wax. So there's a way to test to see if your lint filter is plugged, and I'll show you how. Okay, so I'm just going to bring this to the sink. This one you have to open up, and you can try to run some water through. Hopefully you can see that all right. You see how that water doesn't go through? Air also has a hard time getting through. It's just sitting on there. So what we have to do is clean that off, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so what I'm going to use is just a soft bristle brush and some water and some vinegar, just normal white vinegar. So I'll just put it on, some on there, and then we'll add some water, some warm water actually. And you just want to scrub it to make that thing clean. So once we're all done here, this is going to be clean enough to, let air flow through like it's supposed to. Okay, so now that we've cleaned it, you can see the water just flows right through. So you just want to let this air dry, and then you can throw it back in your dryer.